according to this session, I can give you like 4 out of 5. Okay, you're right. You are
Thank you.
good in communication. You are good in confidence. You have the confidence, and just try to answer every question like that. Okay, if you know,
Yes,
just answer. If you don't know, just don't answer. Like you can skip the question. Okay,
okay.
but as of now, your knowledge for service desk is good. Like you can join a service desk profile. So I'm conducting this session just because to improve your communication skill and confidence level also, and it will definitely help you in your actual interview. Without wasting time, just start the session. I'm just conducting this session for only practice purpose. You can introduce yourself first.
First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity for him. This is HcL BGV from Yakti, Maharashtra. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering from one of the Institute of Technology from Shahpur, and which is affiliated with the Rashtrasan in Maharaj of Nagpur. Uh, Completely, I'm having 1.5 years of experience, and I'm working in DBS Management Limited, which is in Pune, 2023, as a service desk engineer. So coming to my family background, there are 5 family members in my family. My mother, my elder brother, my elder sister, and myself. Coming to my strength, so I am honest, polite, and I am adaptable in nature, and I'm a quick learner. Coming to my hobbies, so I learn new things based on technology. I serve my technical knowledge to the people. Inspiration is my parents who always support me to achieve the goal. And lastly, talking about my achievement, I had received the Red Hat certification in January 2023, and that was my memorable day of my life. That's all about myself.
Okay, great. Nice introduction. Like, do you know how to troubleshoot? Do you know how to
Yes, sir.
troubleshoot?
I
Yeah.
know.
So, could you please
Yes,
just tell me something about that?
the troubleshooting is the root cause of an issue and finding out the solution to how to fix it. And we will get back to an operation by doing that. So there are some steps of troubleshooting. So first we define the problem first. Then we have to analyze what is the actual problem it is. Then we search the information about that problem. Then we implement and fix. That's about troubleshooting.
Nice, nice one. Okay. Uh, so my next question is, uh, do you know what is domain? Domain.
Yes, right.
Could you please just
The
tell me?
domain is nothing. Yes, the domain is nothing but in Windows, it is called as client server model. And in this, the server is responsible for an authentication, or we can say that it is responsible for an security, and
Mm-hmm.
a user is not responsible for the security here. So it is considered as only login one credential logins for different computer system. And domain name is nothing but it is a URL address in which we can translate the URL into numeric form, numeric computer machine form. That is we called as IP address, and it is nothing but a translation of domain name into IP address. Suppose we will give examples such
Mm-hmm.
as we give the website is as the website is as a domain. Uh, sorry, website is as a home, and IP and address is as a URL. That is we call as domain.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay, now you are going to give an interview for the service desk. Do you know what is service desk? What you have to do in service desk?
Yes, sir. It is a technical issue in which user can ask for the help to the support team, or we can say, and it is one type of help which we get for resolving the problem, such as troubleshooting or any troubleshooting like Windows problem, such as network problem, printer issue, BSOD error. If their screen is just it is looking like a fatal or stupid error, and they can't get how to resolve it. So this will help with service desk.
Okay. Yeah, nice. So I just also just want to brief you regarding the service desk. So in service desk, you will get a query from the customer who have any issue regarding computer, printer, application. It's according to your profile. You are working in which project. It's according to that. And if you get any call, okay, there are three ways: call, chat, and email. Okay. So, if you will get any incident, any issue, then you need to create a ticket, okay, for every call, every chat, or every email, and then you have to work on that according to the issue. That's the brief regarding the service desk. Okay. So you have to do these things. Okay. Okay. Now, could you please just tell me, I have issue, my system is not turning on, my PC is not turning on. So in that case, what you will do?
Sir, I will check the cable connection first, or cable, and I will check the first electricity is properly working or not. Then, if it is not working, so I will call this service team in an organization to solve the issue.
Okay. If my laptop is restarting continuously, okay, restarting. So in that case, I call you, and what you will do in that case? How to like resolve this issue? Do you know?
It is restarting, so I will check first the driver is update or not, and I will also check the software is what I will ask you first that do you install any software in the computer or not. So if you tell that I had to install yesterday only, so I will check first, and I'm doing reinstall that software, and then I will update the computer again by CHK uh, and first I will remove the some space and clearing this first. So by CHK command or SFC scanning command, I will check first and see that whether it is having any problem in a disk or not. If it is telling that this is problem is fixed, then I'm okay. Then again I'm trying to restart the computer and see and check that laptop is working properly or not. So it is working, then the problem is should be resolved. That technique I know.
Okay, okay. That's not a bad. That's like almost right. My next question is, do you know the like difference between SSD, HDD, hard
But
disks?
SSD is solid state, so, solid state,
No, don't
solid.
forget the like definition. Just tell me, what do you know about that?
The SSD is faster than HDD. So SSD is non-volatile drive, which consisted of the floppy disk chip and contain the read and writable data in that chip. So that makes a faster than SDD. SDD is consisted of it is a consist of magnetism, and that is consist of read and writable head, and that head is flow in the platter rotating platter as the platter spin fast. So SDT work proficiently, and then we can say that SDD is slower than SSD,
Hmm.
and while the speed of SSD is 62 180 to 120 megabyte per second, and SDD speed is uh, SSD speed is 200 to 550 megabyte per second, and SDD speed is 80 to 120 megabyte per second.
Yeah, 80 to 160. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Correct. Okay, so you are going to join service desk. So do you know about SLA? What is SLA?
Yes, sir. SLA is nothing but a service level agreement,
Hmm.
and in an organization, it is a agreement, one type of agreement given in an organization
Hmm.
to solve the issue in a particular time.
Hmm.
Uh, Means it gives priority to an organization for that particular period. We have to resolve this client issue.
Okay.
That's service level agreement.
Okay, so in service desk you will get that issue also, like any caller call you and then he will angry on you. So in that case, what you will do? Like how to handle a caller who refuses to calm down? In that case, what you will do?
So I will again revise the question if it is not getting again the question. So I will say to that come down. I am giving your call to another team so that he can solve your problem, and he will also get a satisfaction about that he is doing her work, and I'm also maintaining my SLA there and time also by doing this.
This is a like fairly common question that arises during the interview, and if you are an experienced person, so in help desk professional, so this is the like mainly intended to test your patience, okay?
Yes, sir.
Your patience, your
Taking
tolerance,
on the
skill,
this
yeah. So you should have ability to keep your cool,
full
yeah, in full and like demanding situation. So you can just assure the team member, the caller. First of all, if he will angry, then you can say like, first of all, sorry for that issue, sir or ma'am. I will definitely help you in that case. Okay, I'll assure you. You can use assure word. I'll assure you. I will definitely help you. In that case, I will definitely fix that issue. I'm working on that. Okay, and keep asking question so they can understand like you are working on that issue. Okay, so if a customer is having issue with computer, not able to turn out on the computer, and he's angry, like my computer is not turning on, like you guys are nothing not doing anything for me like that. So you have to ask, first of all, sorry for that, sir. I will definitely help you in that case. Could you please just tell me what is the exact issue? Okay, are you able to turn it on? Okay, is that any burning or are you getting any sound uh, m- from the CPU? Like you can ask these questions. So if you will ask the question regarding that issue, then they can understand you are involving in that. Okay, you are going to fix that issue. You are trying to fix that issue. So they will not angry. Okay, they will
good.
try to explain the yeah issue. So this is the way. Okay, but you should not angry on that. Okay.
That's
Yes.
our testing ability.
Yeah, yeah, that's the important. Okay, so have you done your Versant? Like, have you practiced Versant test?
Sir, actually, walking through the interview on HCL. So, but I'm not selected in Versant exams. Like that.
Okay, no worry.
Actually, my resume not selected in HCL. So that's why I'm not able to give Versant exam.
Okay, no worry. Just I also make a video for how to make a resume properly, so you can just go through with that and make a good resume and then give the interview. All the best. And also uploaded 2 or 3 version video, so you can go through with that. It will also help you in that. Okay. So, okay, I have one more question. How do you see the blue screen of death? Like, do you see any blue screen on the computer? Blue screen error, I can say. So I'm
This
working on
is
the
just two for
computer.
fatal error.
Hmm. Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
This is it is just two for fatal error.
Mm.
It is we can say that the window is unstable and completely stopped. No, so it is one type of PSOD problem. It is also called a hardwaring problem. Uh, that's all I know about PSOD.
Okay, great. Okay, do you know about Active Directory
Yes,
and
sir.
what is the use
Sir,
of Active Directory? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, Active Directory domain is a one type of database we can say in
Hmm.
which it is manage the administration for permission and it allows the network resources and Active Directory store data is in object and object is a single element for example user groups and device like a printer. So we can set any username, password of user or resetting password if the client's having a query regarding I have to reset a password. So I will go in Active Directory and resetting password. So this is a Active Directory domain service.
Okay, nice. Uh, that will be also nice. Okay, do you know about the Office 365? Microsoft Office 365.
Ye-
You just tell me what do you know about
Yes,
that?
sir. Microsoft Office 365 is a upgraded version of Microsoft and it is a subscription based and it is based on cloud technology which is accessing through the internet. We are providing the official application like Word and Excel and we are able to schedule the calendar for meeting also and we also get OneDrive to save our data in that. Approximately, we get a 1 GB of data in OneDrive.
Hmm.
So this is the advanced feature for to get professional to learn and do the things in that. Um, so it is all about Microsoft 365.
Okay, nice, nice, Harsha. So,
Sir, actually, I had completed the 6 month of internship in Linux SQL too. So one of my favorite subject is Linux, and I love to learn about Linux new things. Which is I used to see the Nehra class channel, and I used to learn the advanced features about Linux, cloud basis, DevOps, and I used to practice by seeing the video. And as I sure that I get a perfect idea, so I used to share my knowledge in LinkedIn profile. So people help by getting this, and I'm getting satisfaction. So in this way, I used to learn
yeah, yeah,
and
that
practice.
will find that will keep going, and keep learning. So Linux and DevOps is very helpful for service desk employee. Okay, if you will learn, then you will go next level. Okay. Okay. Do you have any weakness? You can tell me regarding your
No,
weakness.
sir, I'm not consider that I'm having any weakness because if we are searching for a job opportunity, so I think that we should not having any weakness in with you. So that's my point.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now just tell me something about IP address. Like, do you know what is IP address and why we use IP address? What is the
Yes,
use
sir.
of that?
IP address. Yes. So IP address is nothing but the internet protocol address. So it is a type of logical address, or it is we can say that it is a numerical form which is used to find the location of a device in a network. So basically, we having two types of IP version IP address. So IP version 4 and IP version 6. So IP version 4 is consist of 32 bits and it is having 4 octets, and each
Mhm.
octet is consisted of 8 bits. That is 4 into 8 we called as 32 bits. And basically it is consisted of two types of address, that is public address and private IP address. So coming to the difference between the public private, so public IP address is always it is costly, and we can say that private IP address is not costly, and public IP address is routable across the internet, whereas
Mhm.
the private IP address is using only on intranet. Intranet means the it is providing internet only on an organization, and private public IP address is consisted of 5 classes, that is class A, class B, class C, class D. So class A range is 1 to 126 and it is a unicast, and 127 is used for loopback purpose.
Mhm.
Loopback purpose means it is used for self and diagnostic purpose.
Mhm.
Suppose we have to check the NIC cards of a computer, so it is here used to help for searching the loopback by using IP config space slash all. We can see that loopback address is given there, is denoted as a 127.0.0.0.
Mhm.
So second, we talk about the class B. So range of class B is 128 to 191, and it is also used for unicast purpose. Class C range is 192 to 223, is also unicast. Class D is 190, 190, sorry, 224 to 239, and is used for research and multicast purpose. Class D
Okay.
is 240 to 255 range,
Correct.
and it
Mhm.
is experimental, and it is also used for multicasting purpose. And we can see that IP version for broadcast IP address is 255.255.255. So about the private IP address, so it is consisted of 3 classes: class A, class B, class C.
Mhm.
Range of class A is 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. That
Mhm.
is a unicast, and class B is range is 172.15.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, that is unicast. And thirdly, we always seen in by working in exe or virtual machine, we always see that 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. So this is all about IP
I.
version 4, IP version 4 address. So coming to the IP version 6, so it is a upgraded version of IP version 4. It
Mhm.
is more secure and faster than IP version 4, and it is consist of 128 bit, which is hexadecimal format, and it is separated by colon. And as per IP version 4 is separated by dotted decimal format. This is all about IP address.
That's very nice. I'm impressed. Okay. So, okay, I have one question, like because it's already been 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so I have one question. Could you please just tell me, I will give you a topic. Okay, you have to just speak about that topic for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, in English. Okay. So the topic is, could you please just tell me the best age to get married? The best age to get married.
Sir, actually, every girl is
Not
should
for
be
girl, only for both girl and boy. So you
girl
can.
and boy.
Hmm.
So perfect marriage is for girls is 25 age, or I can say that near about 26, and and a perfect age of marriage for boy is 30 or near to 28 age. So girl, it is a responsible for both to get education, but in according to me. Be settle first, and I thought that why is have to settle first because he have to marry with a girl. So but I'm not saying that like that, even today generation girl is also having to marry uh, by settling down first, and then he is to marry because nowadays the situation has changed, and girl is more responsible than a man, I think.
Hmm.
And I said that both have to settle down, and uh, and it is in a society nowadays. The society also think that a girl can do better than a boy, and I think that it is the best age for 25 to 26 age for a girl to marry, and men have to marry in 28 or 30. That's
Okay.
all about age.
Okay. Nice. Nice. So I would say, La, that was a nice conversation with you, and all the best for your interview. If you have any question, y- you can free to ask. Okay, with me.
I want to ask that how is my feedback, sir?
According to this session, I can give you like 4 out of 5. Okay, you're right. You are
Thank you.
good in communication. You are good in confidence. You have the confidence, and just try to answer every question like that. Okay, if you know,
Yes,
just answer. If you don't know, just don't answer. Like you can skip the question. Okay,
okay,
but as of now, your knowledge for service desk is good. Like you can join a service desk profile.
yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, most welcome. So that was a nice conversation and a nice practice session. Okay,
Yes,
all the best for your future. Okay,
thank you.
bye bye.